Black Friday is coming up, and it's becoming more and more competitive. Consumers want to buy, and businesses want to sell. But there are so many deals out there, it can be hard to get the attention of your target audience. Today, we're giving you a list of the 10 best Black Friday post templates to help you cut through the marketing noise. Number 10. Black Friday Instagram Post by Geographics. Let's start our countdown with this Black Friday post templates kit with a futuristic design, big, bold text, illustrated elements, and placeholders of different shapes that will surely attract the eye of everyone who visits your social networks. Number 9. Black Friday Social Media Templates by Victor Themes NX. Advertise your special offers through your social networks using this Black Friday templates kit. It includes 10 social media design templates with different sizes, optimized for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Each design is unique and colorful, so you can advertise your sales with a bang. Number 8. Black Friday Social Media Pack by Yummy D's. With this Black Friday design from Yummy D's, you can create a social media post with the quality of a billboard. It has a variety of designs with the optimal size for each social network, and its smart object system allows you to add any product you want with just a few clicks. Number 7. Black Friday Instagram Posts Pack by Pitch It W. Use these Black Friday Photoshop templates to share your best electronics deals. They are ideal for Instagram due to their square design. Their solid black backgrounds are perfect for highlighting each product photo, and their bright red placeholders will highlight your new price information. Number 6. Black Friday Fashion Social Media Banner by Rahati Creative. Is anyone looking to update their wardrobe? With this Black Friday Photoshop design, you can share your best collections. Its two-tone color palette creates a striking contrast, and its design leaves plenty of room for you to include photos of your models wearing your store's best clothes. Before moving into the top 5, let's look at where all these fantastic templates come from. Envato Elements is a digital library for creatives that gives you unlimited access to stock images, Photoshop add-ons, graphic design templates, and everything in between to take your designs to the highest level. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Black Friday Instagram Post by Mezzaluna Design. Use the sophistication of black and the radiance of pink in this template to inspire FOMO in your customers. This template is so versatile that you can advertise anything, including clothing, electronics, sneakers, and musical instruments. So don't wait any longer and download this kit with the link provided in the description below. Number 4. Black Friday Instagram Post Template by Studiotopia. If you're looking for a more futuristic look for this important date, then Studiotopia has you covered. Each design creates an eye-catching contrast by using black, purple, and bright yellow colors. It has a variety of models to capture your customers' attention, ranging from product showcases to posters with large, bold text to advertise your impressive discounts. Number 3. Black Friday Super Sale Instagram Post by NMC 2010. Speaking of futuristic designs, this Instagram layout kit incorporates several contemporary HUD elements while maintaining a current urban aesthetic. Your download contains square and vertical files, ideal for any digital retailer promoting their products. Number 2. Black Friday Google Ads by Coco Basic. This Black Friday template kit screams fashion and style. The design is perfect for apparel, makeup, or accessory branding. The black and white photos, large captions, and contrasting pink elements will give your brand a unique edge. Number 1. Black Friday Sales Instagram Post by Rahati Creative. Use this elegant template to promote your sales. The design's minimalist aesthetics, floating elements that add depth to the composition, and the capacity to customize colors to match your branding makes it suitable for any business. Don't second guess yourself. Download this kit and get your deals out there. So there you have it, our list with the 10 best Black Friday post templates. Do you have any favorites? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We recently uploaded a video showcasing our best product promo video templates. Have a look at it to find the best way to promote your sales on video. It's showing on the right of your screen right now. See you later!